Our Dear Dead Drug Lord is a play about a gang of teenage girls who meet in this treehouse.
They're all members of this club called the Dead Leaders Club, and they all try to resurrect the spirit of Pablo Escobar.
The whole play is a kind of look at these 4 young girls in high school as they try and find a source of power, even if they might be looking in the wrong place.
It's a bunch of teenage girls who don't know what to do with their emotions and are literally just painting them on the walls in like really bold, exciting colors.
I think what's driving the play forward is this incredible force of energy and desire that this pack of teenage girls have. They're dangerous, they're hungry, they're excited, and they want real things.
What's funny about the play is that it's all coming from such a real place, and there's no filter on any of them.
They really are on like that precipice too, where you are old enough that you see your world more clearly for what it really is.
They take themselves very seriously. This is very real.
Yeah.
And I think that's where the comedy is.
So much of this is about occupying space that girls aren't typically allowed to occupy.
There's like a universal question running underneath the play. What are girls asked or forced to give up to become women? And what does not being an adult, but being a woman cost you? And then what would you do if there was a way you could get it back? And I think that's something that is so universal that like, it's timeless.
Right.